How to unsubscribe from emails on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Simply open Play Store on your device and then download Clean Email Inbox Cleaner and open your app. After that, log into your account and then click on Unsubscribe from Mailing Lists, which is the third option. You'll find different mails. You can simply click on unsubscribe and unsubscribe it. But if you want to unsubscribe all the mails, click on select at the bottom. Then press on select all at the bottom. Turn on I understand and do not ask for confirmation again. Press on continue. After you've done that, you'll find unsubscribe at the bottom. Click on it and you're good to go. This is how to unsubscribe from emails on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.